Dado mo, pinakbat mo.
Mabaling na baso.
Baso?
Wet your
Meron
hand.
yatang baso.
Wet. Hold the clay. Put your two thumbs in the middle. Push it downwards slowly to make a hole. Tusukin mo. Push it down. 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 Then widen. Widen. Pakita mo nga. Ayan. Nice. Pakialis ang dalawang kamay. Now, may I hold your hands? We're going to do the cylinder together. You're going to relax. Relax lang, sir. Hamo nga patangkin ng the imam. Just light it up. Okay. And that's your baso. Baso gorte aramidam, sir. Baso data. Nalpaskan.
Wow, bowl ma'am, bowl.
Okay. Tata, garami ka ti malukong. Dito yung pinaka-unag, you are going to push out and then pull. Ha mo nga kaskas siya. Straight lang yan. Hold. Release. Nagamin kaskas siya yung ha mo nga yung makontrol siya magapu siya imang mga pressure. Okay. Again. Push outwards. And then pull it up to the top. Hold. Release. Okay, isa pa. Walang nangyari sa ginawa mo, sir.
Sa ilalim po.
Push muna, push out, 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 and then slowly pull it up, 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 hold. There you go. Ditoy, ditoy. You are going to push that outwards. Ayan. And then slowly pull it up. Tapno ngay may ka dyan nakausli nga clay. And that's your mangkok. Astig mo't lang mo't gayam tinaramit ti astig.